mondo eka motimre eka lokruok wane. Mokuongo gimonego wang'e kendo I agree ni ntiere weche gi kaka budget gini gik makamago. To tourism as a sector is not driven by government. That must be clear to all of us.
Okay.
This is not a sector. Tourism is not a government-driven sector. It is largely driven by private investors, tour operators, hoteliers, tour guides, restaurants owners. Iwinjo. Anko seketo jogi pachgi achiel. Eka wacho ni a government is merely to facilitate. Iwinja. Omiyo kik wang'e ni every time we blame, apportion blame a government. One kaka players and stakeholders. Waseti miango. Have we created an enabling environment? And she can bear me witness. When we were discussing about Siaya investment conference, I asked, is Siaya enabling environment for investment?
Nwanagogi dhuluo.
Matinenia, bene Siaya, kata Kisumu,
Yes.
kata Migori,
Yes.
or create opportunity ma in kaka George nyalo wachonia where kete otendaka. Bendu mi opportunity kaka Nyarawila mang'wachnia anyalo dhi dala makau travel agency nani ma ket gi branch kanye
Dala.
kata dala Siaya. Omiyo nyaka wang'ie laji ni ang'o ma drive this sector.
Yes.